Welcome back, y'all. So another day working on this truck again, and it's after work. So it's about 8 o'clock right now. It's pretty dark outside. So the lighting's not the best. I'm sorry, but what we're I'm just gonna start. I don't know if I'm gonna finish tonight, but I got a couple things I gotta cut out on the cab to get this cab lower, because right now it's sitting too high. And it looks like a four-wheel drive truck, and I'm not going for that look. It's a two-wheel drive truck. It needs to be lower. So we got that area to cut out right there. That's marked. We got this area right here by the dash, or on the dash actually. And we got this area back in there to cut out. And then right over there on the other side where that motor mount is, just that little inch long piece, inch wide piece. And then I gotta cut the fenders out in the wheel well fenders in the front, so we can clear those. If we get to it, I'll show you guys, but that's what we're gonna cut out first. Let's get started on it. So I've been using this blade quite a bit, and it seems to be not working as good as it used to. So there's kind of like chunks out of the diamond on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch over. I think I have one. Yeah, I got one left. Just a abrasive cutoff wheel. But it's not going to get me all the way through, because I got to go up underneath and cut the rest of that strut they got going through there to hold that together. Alright guys, so we got this side cut out here. That floor pan cut out, and we got this notch out around the valve cover. I'm gonna go to the other side and cut this little brace of this channel they got running through there. Alright, so we got that piece cut out. And the next step would be cutting the front fender wells out to lower that. We may be able to lower the back though now. Let's go ahead and try that. Lowering the back of the cab, and then we'll have to cut the front later. So I'm done cutting for tonight. It's already 8:35 right now. I don't think my neighbors will want me to continue cutting, but so we'll work on what we can with not cutting. Alright, so now it's sitting a lot lower. I'm liking the way it's looking, how it's looking, but I need to go some more, another 3/4 of an inch or so, and then we can come back on the, come up on the back end here and add another, like probably add 3/4 or so to the back. Alright guys, that's for it for tonight. So we're gonna have to come up just a little bit because the compressor's hitting the hood. But man, it'd be nice to get even lower than that. But for right now, it's just gonna have to be a little taller, I guess. It's not looking too bad. I like that 10 times better than what it was. It was way up there. So we'll see how it goes. These inner, I'm cutting these fenders. Sorry for the lighting, but the power steering is hitting the inner fender here, so I'm cutting it right along this white line all the way back. And basically, we're going to just drop it down, add a little piece to fill in from here to there, the drop. Same on that side. And I'll have to tilt my filter, which is going to run right in front of my AC. So we might have to do something else for the filter too. Maybe, I don't know what we're going to do. But we're going to have to find something else for it. And these fittings are just, like literally this fitting's just too tall for this compressor. It's hitting the hood. But other than that, that's what we're dealing with. Man, this lighting's terrible. I'm sorry, you guys, but it's sitting pretty good. You know, I mean, you're squeezing a huge ass engine into a 3/4 ton truck. It's hard to see in there too. It's all crammed in there. So we got about 3/4 of an inch over there on the other side from the engine mount to the body to the floor pan. So other than that, you know, I'm trying to get the truck low enough, you know, to make it look right. So I'm gonna have to get it close, make sure everything works, and just do it there. I am planning on buying some body mounts here, and then I have to do something for the back here, for those blocks. I want to take those blocks out, and I cannot find these U-bolts. They're 3.5 inches inside to inside around that axle, and I can't find 3.5 for some reason. I need 3.5, 10 inches long, and they're about 1/2 inch, but they're metric, so there's what are they? Listen, 0.625. Yeah, 0.625. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm probably just gonna cut them myself, cut them to 10 inches, and, you know, re-thread them. It's like it's a metric thread, so I'm gonna try and find it. It's like a 13 on the gauge I have, the thread gauge I think I have, it says. So yeah, we'll see what I'm gonna surf the old Google and see what I come up with, if there's actually a tap or a yeah, I guess it's a tap. Well, it's not a tap, it's a threadder or whatever. I don't know, I can't remember the word of it. It's late, guys. So that's where I'm gonna end the video for tonight. Sorry, you know, for all the videos being late and all, but just super busy here. So thanks for watching, you guys.